MSC. So it should be somewhere here. This is my script on startup. For example, I can use this one. I can use on logon. On logon, execute something. So those both triggers are good. See here, log on, log off user, or startup shutdown computer. If I go here, here is logon, at logon, and add, and browse. And I can browse a script. So I have to put in a script in here. This is, for example, script of users. Let's edit this one. So I'm going to just put here echo hello there. I can also use in my script to open things. For example, notepad.exe. Here you go. Or calc.exe for calculator or whatever. And here you go. Now I have my script here. I can name it here hello or something. And I will just copy paste this script here in this location. And I will select my script. There is no script parameter for us. This is just hello.bat. And here is the hello.bat. Apply, OK, and it's done. Now in the logon of the user, well, first I need to go to CMD, and what I have to do in CMD. What I have to do in CMD. Create user? Why I have to create user? GP update /force just got on. Good. So I need to update the GPU here. CMD, so I just dealt with GPU here. So GP update /force. There you go. Now you see I can do same thing of log off here. For example, if someone gonna click log off, he can execute a script. All I need is to browse and put some script inside, for example, or put some software or whatever. You see, here is it. Now I have this script on log off and GP update /force, and so go on and so go on and so go on. This is it. So same thing, I can do it with startup and turn off and shut down, or startup and shut down the computer. The same thing. It's exactly the same way. Add and browse, and I'm gonna put something inside, and it will just execute that thing after on a startup. Okay, apply GP update /force, shut down. Here's same thing. Add, browse, and I can put something inside. And here we go. He will just open that thing after on show files, you see, on shutdown. So this is a path, a specific path to go in there and put things in there for shutdown. And the same thing here, specific path for the startup. There you go, you see. So it's a specific path, script startup. But I don't need to know it, because when I click on add, browse, he will open it automatically for me in there. So all I need is to copy things inside. That's it. There you go. Now he can execute both. Now you go on GP update /force, and it's done. Sir, can we use a logon folder and run this pro policy by passing path that file? What? I didn't get it, Harmander. Please, can you explain? To do it for a specific user. Yeah, to do it for a specific user, well, we know how to do GPU for specific user. So first of all, we need to, where is my tool? Add CP here. There you go. So see, first of all, we need to create a console to do it for a specific user. MMC. MMC, and I can add I save it first. For example, I will save it user 1. Save it on the desktop. And I'll remove snippets. And one, I'm gonna add the group policy here. Add. You see, I need to browse and users and choose Steve Jobs, for example, and finish. Here you go. Now I will click OK. Now these policies that I'm gonna apply are just for Steve Jobs. Now if I go here, script logon, and I do the same thing, so it will be executed just for the policies of Steve Jobs. That's it. But I need to pass through the MMC console to do it for a specific user, because from there, the policies, we can define which user should be applied on his account. All right. Well, this is it. Guys, one review about tomorrow. Please prepare 2-3 machines. 2 machines that you're going to need on the exam, 3 machines, one just in case you're going to need a third machine, one crashed or failed or whatever. So there is one that it's ready to go right in there in your Hyper-V. You can clean up all your computer, right? Clean up the old machines. You don't need them anymore. IPv6 task. Yeah, IPv6 task is so basically I asked you to ping 2 machines on IPv6. I don't remember. Just remind me, please, what we have to do. So if we take these 2 computers here, well, I think we pinged 2 computers on IPv6 last time. Here you go, QWERTY1. I think maybe even my computers are still configured with the IPv6 address. I don't remember. Here you go. This computer is totally glitched here. All right, so change adapter option, go here, properties, and IPv6. It's still configured. I remember that we did it. Here is it. Here's it. This one is 2000 : 1 : 2. Now I can ping these both computers. Blocking it, one PC doing ping. Okay, blocking is the firewall that you should find it on IPv6. So wf.exe here. What I'm missing? Windows firewall .exe. Why is not open it? Okay, firewall. Okay, so I want to block, for example, well, first of all, I need to turn on my my firewall. Now, if I go to the inbound here, and I have equal request, see, here is it. When we worked with IPv4, we dealt with these 3 here. Those ones are exactly the same and work exactly the same for IPv6. Here is it, v6 here. Okay, so if I want to allow the ping, so allow the connection here. Here you go. It's not in blocking anymore. It's allow. This one is in which level? Yeah, domain. We don't really need it. There's a allow on all of them. I'm gonna make it bigger to be able to read. Where am I? Here you go. So IPv6. Allow the connection. Allow the connection. So you see that they are all in allow here. All of them. So I can enable the role. All IPv6 here roles, I will just enable them. So the role is enabled now, and he's on allow. See that it's enabled. All IPv6 can pass through my firewall So my firewall is on, but I'm still able to ping. If I see the echo request on the outbound to be able to ping the others or not. So you see that here is it on a public, it's enabled and it's allow. So if I want to block this computer to ping the others on IPv6, I should come here and go to property and block it. So this computer will not be able anymore to ping the others. So I can just take this one here and put it in the 3 levels, domain and private, and it's done. And here we go. Now this computer will not be able to ping any other computer on IPv6. CMD ping 2001 colon 2, I guess. No, there, or this one is the one. Right. I'm on a 2, so this one is let's ipconfig here quickly, or it's open here. Yeah, so this one is the 2. Let's ping the one. Well, it was in front of me here. Ping colon 1. You see, now I have a general failure because he can't ping. It's the same principle like we did it before with IPv4, right? But now the outbound is locked, is blocked, so he can't ping the other at all. He can't ping the other at all. CMD ping colon 2, and you see this one is still be able to ping the other one because the inbound is enabled in this one, right? It's correct. So he is answering. This one is receiving without any problem and replying without any problem. But he is not able to ping because of the outbound. His outbound is disabled. But you see that inbound, he's letting people to talk to him on IPv6 without any problem. Where is it? The eco 6. Here is it. See, I enabled all of them, and they are all allow. There's no block here. Now, if I want to block it, I would just turn this one to block here, and this guy here will not be able to ping anymore. Here we go. You see, he'll not be able to ping anymore because now the inbound, you see, request timed out. He's not answering anymore because I blocked the inbound. It's the same principle like we did with RDP. But IPv6, it have its own roles right here. ECMPv6 under file and printer sharing. That's it. Okay. Like sir, administrative templates, system logon, run this pro policy, enable and click on show and put see folder name, file name, like in chapter 2. No, you don't need to do that, Harmaner. You don't need to remind or whatever in the lab for that policy in there. You don't need to do it because it's already in there. You just click on add, he will take you to the path. Right, let's do it for all the computer here. Here you go. If I go to user logon, see logon script, and here's logon, and just add and browse, and he will take you in there. You don't need to remember that. Even for the startup, even for the shutdown, even for whatever, log off here, see add, he will take you there to the log off location. We don't need to remember them. Okay, they are always available just from here, or show files, and here's it. You are on the log off, so you can put a lot of stuff in here. That's it. Okay, guys, do you have any other question, or I'm gonna let you like I was talking since 2.5 hours now, I guess. Starting having my my mouth drying. Okay. If you have any question, please feel free, or otherwise I'm gonna let you go review, prepare your machines, practice whatever you want, right? Practice whatever you want. I'm telling you again, the exam is much more simple than the labs we did, okay? So practice again the labs or whatever. Practice the images, the backup, the restore point, all those things. The firewall, the pings, the RDPs, blocking things. Backward and forward. Okay. remote registry. We did a lot of practice in these modules. Just practice them, and tomorrow, as I told you, you're gonna have 5 separated parts for the lab, and you're gonna take 4 hours and a half for that. Okay, seems like we don't have any question. Okay, guys, so please get ready your machines today. Okay, 3 machines better than 2, but in the exam you're gonna need just 2 of them, just 2 of them. Okay, guys, take care and see you tomorrow. Please review. I'm expecting better marks than module 1, right? So you're gonna give me better marks than module 1 this time. Okay, guys, I'm talking with everyone.